Bishop. So today I'm installing a 2008 Toyota Corolla. I'm installing the clutch. So I already installed. I'm putting a new clutch, the new disc. This is the disc from the old one, and this is the old pressure plate. Okay, because the car doesn't go in gear. Okay, you can see the wear. It's wear on the pressure plate here. Okay. And a new release bearing. Okay, so that's the release bearing there. So the problem the car had in the first time, the car wasn't going into gear, so the customer was put it in gear, started so you can drive it. So what we did, we installed a new master cylinder. It's worked for one day, and then after no more working, it's break the master cylinder, because what happened, the release shaft here wasn't moving. And when I take out the transmission, what happened, the release shaft was sticking, it wasn't moving. So now I install a new release bearing. Okay, and you have to put the grease here, clean it up, put the grease here, so because before it was rusted, it was rusted, so the shaft was not free, like this here. Okay, so, and then I changed put it on the pressure plate. Okay, so here I install the pressure plate, okay, with the clutch. So before I install that, I clean the surface of the flywheel to rough it out. You don't want it to be smooth, okay? You can get slippage, but clean it with a rough sandpaper. And you take a wet rag with some thinner and you clean the dust. You don't want to blow the dust because you don't want to breathe that in there, okay? And this tool you have, the most important thing of this job is to line up your disc around your pressure plate here, because the output shaft has to go in there. So if your disc is way down, then it will force to go inside, and then you can damage the clutch here. Okay, you can damage your disc by the force, and then when you tighten it up and everything like that, because you're forcing everything to go in there. All right. So this is the main point, to balance, because most new discs, they come with this tool and you just install it. This one here. So what you do, you just tighten up your nut so that you can move the disc by hand, and when you get it lined up, you tighten it evenly but wrong and make sure everything is good. Double check it, and then you take out your tool. Then because this one you have to vision by eyes only. Okay, some of them you just push in the tool and the tool is exactly, so you just tighten it. You don't have to go through the moving here, moving there. Okay, so that's it. And you have your oil. This is the slave cylinder. I think I have to change it. It looks like it's leaking oil too. It's the old slave cylinder. And it's a job that is about maybe 4 or 5 hours job, this one. You work constantly in it. Alright. So I hope I give you like a fast preview of what's going on to do a clutch on a 2008 Toyota Corolla. Okay, so have a good day. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting video, and have a good day. Bye.